Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to attach files in Evernote. If you want to keep documents, PDFs, images, or other important files together with your notes, Evernote makes the process quick and easy. Let's begin. First, open the Evernote application on your computer and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. After Evernote opens, create a new note or open any existing note where you want to add a file. Now, instead of typing anything, look at the top toolbar. Here you'll see the File Attachment icon. Click on this icon to start attaching a file to your note. As soon as you click the File Attachment icon, a file browser window will open on your computer. From here, browse through your folders and find the file you want to upload. You can choose a PDF document, a Word file, an Excel spreadsheet, an image, or any other supported file. After selecting your file, click the Open button. Evernote will immediately begin uploading the file. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the attached file displayed in your note. This means the file has been successfully added and will stay with the note for easy access whenever you need it. If you want to attach another file, simply click the File Attachment icon again and repeat the same steps. You can add multiple files to a single note, making it easy to organize all your important documents in one place. One of the best features of Evernote is that it saves your changes automatically. There's no need to click a Save button. As soon as your file is attached, it's safely stored in your note and synced with your Evernote account, and that's all there is to it. Attaching files in Evernote is fast, simple, and a great way to keep your documents organized alongside your notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.